Rave Radio. With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Rants and Raves. I'm Steph Beckett. And in our pre-InfoComm 2025 series, we've been kind of telling you all about the sessions that you should check out at the show and also a few of the booths that we want you guys to check out at the show. And that is the purpose of this next episode. Joining me is Dean Heckler of Heckler. So first of all, welcome, Dean. How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Doing well. How has the InfoComm prep been treating you? I love to ask everyone that.
That's an endurance sport.
Yeah.
Definitely. I don't think people who walk the floor know how much effort goes into preparation, building a booth, and getting all safely packed away and across the country. So, cheers to my team, and it's been an effort. Thanks for asking.
Of course. So I would love also to just hear a little bit about you, your history in the industry, and a little bit about Heckler.
Yeah, we've been in Heckler is a hardware and furniture company based in Phoenix, Arizona. Everything's made in and around Phoenix, shipped from Phoenix. We started in 2008. We entered the AV industry in late 2016, early 2017, and it's been great. We now exclusively focus on ProAV solutions, credenzas, rolling stands, wall systems, mounts, accessories of all kinds.
That's awesome. So you're going to be at InfoComm. What number InfoComm will this be for you guys?
Seven or eight.
Awesome.
Eight if it wasn't for the pandemic, seven otherwise.
I think that y'all are about the same number as me. So that's awesome.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about what you guys are going to have at your booth this year. I know that you were kind of talking about like your company's theme for this year is really like bringing that excitement back to the AV industry, because I think that's something that's been kind of missing for us lately. I don't know if it's just because we've been coming out of the pandemic and we're just so excited to like be back, but
Yeah.
like there's just been this level of we're back that I think is kind of existing this year.
Yeah, I want office spaces and workspaces to be places that people want to go and people that are excited about. I want people who invest in their businesses and their office spaces to be excited about those, the money they spend and the environments they build. So, that was really our focus. We know that the AV professional is a big part of that. And a lot of what they bring into these spaces, needs the approval and the excitement of the end user to be embraced and brought in. So we're always focused on that. But this year particularly, we looked across each one of our product categories and said, not only how can we make things more cost effective and offer, essentially base options. Most of our products have always been premium products, but can we offer a base option? And can those options, just those entry points, just be much more exciting, have more color, more design, on top of all the baseline utility and functionality we need to deliver for the AV professional.
I like that y'all are considering beauty and like color and texture and all of that, because I think that for the longest time AV was just like black boxes, and that's just not how the industry is anymore. Thank God we've started considering that AV needs to be beautiful, and I love that that is a big consideration in the products that you guys have, because in all of your furniture products, that is definitely one of the main takeaways, is that it's beautiful. It's not an ugly piece of black furniture to look at. Like, design is such a big part of it.
Yeah, thank you. And ultimately, 8 out of 10 units we ship might ship black gray because that's what the customer picked. But we've dramatically expanded color options this year. We've partnered with Feltrite in a number of our new products. So we offer the full breadth of 42 colors of Feltrite integrated into our products. So you can imagine for an integrator trying to get a credenza into a space and have their client be excited about that, enabling the client to pick from 42 colors helps and ultimately makes for a more interesting space. So that's among the things we're doing this year.
Yeah, I'd love to hear a little bit more about the products that you're going to have at the booth. I'm personally really excited about the Credenza Neo. I know that you guys announced that kind of recently, and it looks great because like it is the perfect way to hide that mini rack that you kind of have to hang somewhere, but you can put it behind this like lovely piece of kind of like felt fabric, adding some texture to the room.
Yeah, I think the trend towards continues to be clients have displays that are essentially flush mount in their homes. So when they come to their office, they kind of expect their displays to be flush mount. So no longer are we hiding gear behind the display and pushing the display out. The solution to that is to give a location for the video meeting gear under the display, but that's going to be in view. So if it's in view, a lot of people are going to have opinions. And so if we make it good looking by default and colorful, that's what makes it work. Yeah, Credenza Neo, Heckler Credenza 4U is one of our most popular products. Its list price usually keeps it out of every single room. The budgets just can't justify putting one of those in every single room. So we challenged ourselves to create a new credenza offering in the credenza product line that really everybody could justify, because the cost of the credenza would be offset by savings on labor, electricians, more elaborate wall mounts for the display. You can just use a very simple wall mount or a flush mount that comes with the display. And just those dollars saved pays for Credenza Neo. So yeah, I'm very excited to get that in front of more people, and that will be on display at the booth.
Yeah. Any other ones you want to highlight?
Yeah, last year we showed off our mobile fleet, our new line of rolling stands. That has expanded. That product line has expanded. We'll have two stands actually at InfoComm specific to Rally Bar 65. We'll have a static height stand, and we'll have a height adjustable stand. So both of those will be on display. Microsoft renewed the Surface Hub last year with the Surface Hub 3. We will finally be bringing a rolling stand for the Surface Hub 3, supporting the smart rotation and the optional battery installation. So we finally have a really nice recipe for a rolling stand for Surface Hub. That'll be shipping soon and on display at the show. Microsoft's Express Install initiative, where they want Teams rooms to be deployed in smaller spaces more quickly by fewer people. We're supporting that Express Install initiative with two products, a tabletop stand and a small miniature rolling stand. Both of those will be on display. And for our wall products, we offer credenza and we offer AV wall, but we have an entirely new wall system that will be on display. It's a preview that will be shipping later this summer, but we'll have that on display. That's called Heckler Framework, and we're really excited to show people what you can do with Heckler Framework. So.
Yeah. I mean, but clearly, like, we've been putting up pictures as you've been talking, like these products, they're elegant, you guys really, really do put in both form and functionality in these, and which I think is really great. And I think that that's going to, help accomplish your goal of like bringing that fun and excitement back to the AV industry through furniture.
Thank you. We use all of this in our own offices. We want our office to be a cool office. So yeah, if we have ideas that are not aesthetic, we generally throw away those ideas and start again. So I'm glad it shows in our end product.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, last question I have for you is, where can people find you guys on the show floor?
We are at booth 3371. We have a 40-foot by 20-foot island. So come over, talk to us, take a lap around, and happy to show you everything new that is on display this year.
Awesome. Well, I can't wait to see it myself, Dean. It's been good talking to you.
Great talk to you, Steph.
All right. Well, thank you everyone for watching or listening. This has been another episode of Rants and Raves. And hopefully I will see you all in Orlando. So talk to you soon. And thanks for watching.
rAVe Radio with Rants and